Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Nazukeh, which are a cross between kileche and kade. So let's start baking. There are two parts of ingredients for the Nazukeh recipe. For the first part, you'll need 3 cups of flour, 250 ml of sour cream, 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, I've used knead, 1 cup of butter at room temperature, and 8 grams of active dry yeast. For the filling, you will need 2 cups of crushed walnuts, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, and 1 cup of butter. And this is how your Nazukeh should look like. Serve them with some chai and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!